We've done electric furlers before, quite a lot, but on smaller sizes. So on an 80-footer, it's no problem to have an electric furler, but on a boat like this, we've never done an electric furler this big. I'm Philip Demler and I work with Reckmann yacht equipment in Germany. Yeah, for Project Zero we did a portfolio of 3 electric furlers. It was a request from the owners team and from the project team to go electric. It fit in better with what they're doing with energy on the boat. They didn't want to have a big hydraulic system. And so, yeah, we set out on this task to develop this, and we developed it together with them. For this one, we had to find the right motor and connect it and get the right gearbox and make it all corrosion-proof and watertight. And then we also had to build up a test rig that would allow us to test what the owners team wanted to test. Driven by the fact that for this boat, obviously, the sails were the main means of propulsion, which is something that was emphasized many times. So normally it's the main engine and the sails are on top. Here it's the other way around. So they sail a lot more than other boats, and they're a lot more dependent that the systems they sail with are reliable and work in any condition. The first test didn't yield the results that we were looking for because the test setup wasn't right. So we did a whole second test. That extra effort paid off. We got all the numbers, we hit all the numbers that we wanted to hit, and now we're equipped to do it in the future again. If someone comes along again and wants an electric furler of that size, we're ready for it now. I think a project like this can only happen with collaboration. I mean, we contributed it with what we know and what we can do well, but we knew also where our limits were, and the fact that then the yard and their subcontractors were able to help us on that side, and the yard really also went a long way with developing technology also for the motor controller stuff and water cooling of motors. So it's a puzzle. So we were one piece of the puzzle, and it only works if everybody kind of chips in, and this worked really well, and I think it can only work well if everybody works towards the same goal. Well, I think sailing at zero is pushing the envelope, it's pushing the boundaries. It's an R&D project.